was up, friends and family. Real quick video. I will admit, this one was kind of hard for me initially. When I read the headlines, when I saw what it said on Google Trends, I was like, interesting. Some of the headlines go like this. Cuomo mandates health insurance companies and New York to cover fertility for same-sex couples. New York tells health insurers to speed up fertility coverage for same-sex couples. New York to fast-track fertility coverage. And my brain immediately said, wait a minute, same-sex couples willingly go into a same-sex relationship knowing that it is, let's say, theoretically impossible for them to conceive a child. Again, in order to conceive a child, you need a sperm from one person and an egg from another person to conceive and create the blastocyst, the zygote, all those processes. And I realized that, whoa, I'm actually speaking from a position of privilege. It was one of those things that you realize that you're like, oh my goodness, this is what it actually feels like. Again, being a minority doesn't really resonate with me that much when I am speaking from a position of privilege, but I actually was just now. And I realized that, I've been blessed, my wife and I, to have 3 children. We have our 4th on the way. And there are many people out there, both heterosexual and homosexual and, the whole spectrum of couples that are not as blessed as us, that are not able to have children because of many different reasons, many of which are outside of their control. And that's when I realized, oh, your sexual orientation, who you love, is also outside of your control. Many people grew up, including me, to believe that if you did not like the opposite sex, that there was something wrong with you. Many of us grew up to believe that homosexuality was a sin, and it is unfortunate. And I apologize to the many people who have had to deal with that and who have had to hide and not bring their true selves to conversations, to work, to the world because of the stigma that has been put on things that don't fall inside of what is considered the status quo. But I think that more people are starting to hear you. More people are starting to understand you, including me. And I understand this now. And I think it is a great thing that if you are a same-sex couple, you will not have to pay out of pocket for something that heterosexual couples do not have to pay out of pocket for: fertility treatments. There are many people out there that are heterosexual couples that should not be having children in the first place. There are many people that are heterosexual that can't have children and would make great parents. I know many of them, and it is unfortunate. And I'm pretty sure that there are many homosexual, same-sex, again, the spectrum, people that want to have children and they can't. They should be given the exact same equity, equality. When we talk about that, they should be given the exact same opportunities. Point blank, period. And that's, I completely agree with what Cuomo has done, with what New York is doing, and I hope that it translates across the country and across the world. Because if you want to be a parent, your sexual orientation should not stop you. The same as anything else. And those are my thoughts. I would love to know what you all think. Again, I had to literally process that in my mind because I was like, whoa, interesting, but yeah, why not? Why not? So, love to know what you guys think. I'm interested to see what the comment section is going to look like, and I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.